There is a person who travels all around the world and can visit every single child wherever they live. Who could that be? Yes, exactly. It's Santa Claus. He makes sure that each and every child around the world gets their dream gift. Oh, it's pretty tight in here. I'm sure chimneys used to be wider. Peter. Oh, hello. I'm so happy to see you. As you can see, I've been squeezing down these chimneys as I've started delivering this year's Christmas presents. Wait a second, and let's see what kind of gift I should deliver to you. Let's see. Oh, there's a photo of you. Splendid. But I can't see a gift for you anywhere. You don't think my elves forgot about it, do you? That's not like them. Don't worry, we'll figure it out. Let's go back to the gift factory. What's that burning smell? Ah! Oh, hello, my elves! Santa's coming back! Oh, Santa's back! Who wants a gift from my sack? Pom, pom, pom. That's enough for everyone! Peter, we'll soon find out about your gift. There's a hidden magical space in my home which holds all the answers. Yes, indeed there is. Let's go. This is my magical library. There's a book about every child on these shelves. Oh, I think it's your book. It's trying to show us something. Let's see what it is, yes. That's where you live, isn't it? What else do we have here? Peter, I know you're at home all the time. I've heard you love to draw. Oh, how sweet. It's adorable. All right, let's go. All this walking. I wouldn't mind a snack right now, or a nap. We'll soon find out about your gift. Oh, what are you cuties doing here? Oh, Fluffy, Curly, my little stars. I'll see you at dinner. Bye. Peter, there is a secret entrance to our gift factory somewhere around here. Only Elf the guard can let us in. I hope he's in a good mood. Elf the guard, can we enter? Yes, I'll pass it on. He says the password is your age. Peter, remind me, how old are you? Ah, of course, you are already 4 years old. We've made it. The password worked. Let's go. Peter, that's our gift factory. This is where gifts for children all around the world are made. Have a good look. That's our magical gift-making machine. Let's see where your gift is. Elf the manager, look at this photo. Do we have a gift for this child? Give me a sec. Let's check. Nothing? Relax, I'm sure we'll find it, yes. And, really? Yeah? We do? It's there, splendid. The gift is there. Now, we just have to check to make sure you're on the nice list. Let's move to the office. Could you help me? We need to clap and repeat really loud. Ho, 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 through the snow. Off we go. ho, ho, ho. Through the snow. Oh, we've made it. There's no place like by the fireplace. Good. Maybe we should have a little rest. Yes. After all, I have to take care of this big, busy belly. It gets tired easily. Oh, and these are my little helpers. We have a lot of fun together. Oh, you rascals. You ate that entire apple pie today. And I'd been looking forward to that. Yes, I'm talking to you. They're pretending not to hear me, as always. Oh, hello, Eric. Could you help me with the book? Peter, I think it's marvelous that you're such a talented musician. I also know you want to become a singer. Apparently, sometimes you don't brush your teeth before bed. Is that true? Will you work on it? Promise? I also have a special recommendation for you. Be a better little brother. I want to show you someone very special and important. They love you with all their hearts. Who do you think it is? Do you recognize them? They love you so much. Oh, isn't it wonderful? After you finish watching this video, remember to give them a big hug. Okay, and now for the most important part. Let's ask my elves, who have been watching you all year, if you belong on the nice list. Dear elves, what is your decision? What do you think? Is it going to be the nice list? Decide. Yes, it is? Hooray! You've made it. It's amazing. I mean it. I'm so proud of you. You're such a nice child. Congratulations from me and my elves. Keep it up. I have no doubt that you belong on the nice list. Well done. All right, I'll be going now. See you soon. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
La 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 la.
'Tis the season to be jolly.
La la